Okay, so finally getting around to putting this thing together. This is a car rotisserie. Getting close to where I'm able to get the body off this thing. I need to remove a few more pieces of glass, then get the steering column out. I'll probably take a few more pieces of the dash apart first. Then I'm going to lift it up and move it over onto this thing when I get it together. Probably weld in a couple of braces too, so before I do that. So I'll take a few videos and probably piece them together here in terms of, what it looks like putting this thing together. I don't feel like doing time lapse or any of that crap, so it is what it is. Okay, so I've got it all laid out. I haven't broke the bolts out yet. I'll do that in a second and get them all laid out. We'll see how it goes next. Okay, so I got step 1 and 2 done, which is basically putting these casters on and that one piece of steel going out in the front there. So as you can see, it took a lot of the bolts to do that, so I'm hoping the rest of it goes pretty quick. Here's the other side. So onward and upward. Okay, ran into one small problem. The inside of this has run, and amazingly enough, it makes it very, very difficult to get on with just that little bit. I'm going to sand it down and go forward with it, but a little bit of a defect there. Very small, but it causes some problems. It would not go on that one. When I tried the other one, it went right on, and then I looked inside and saw the defect. I was wondering what was going on. Okay, well, I grinded it out. I ground it out. It's okay. Paint came off though. Wasn't much I could do. It was a little bit. I couldn't quite tell if it was metal. It had a little bit like a well dripping or something in there. But it fits okay now. I will probably just go with it. I don't know if I'll complain or not. But there you go. And I think it'll be all good. Okay, another small defect. So this one has 2 different holes up here. I think that's by design. I have a feeling that's for their motor that they add to. You can put to one side. But there's 5 holes in this one. Same over here, 5 holes going down. But I went to put the pin in, and there's only 1, 2, 3, 4. If you get down here real close, you can see that one is indented but hasn't been poked out. I don't know if there's any reason for me not to poke it out. I guess I'm going to poke it out. See what happens. Here we go. So it took me probably about 3 hours of work. I laid it out at around 11, took a lunch break, was messing around a little bit, maybe 3 to 4 hours. I put it together. And like I said, there were a couple small defects, but nothing that's going to keep it from working. So now I am looking and starting to get a little concerned that I got enough roof space to do everything I want to do, but I might have to move it around a little bit to be able to fit it. I'll be able to make it work if I do it. But the plan is to get everything loose, get it lifted up on that I-beam, roll it over to here, set it back down on this. Then if I have to roll the chassis out and reposition things in order to get everything balanced, that's what I'll do. But this is it.